So I've got this piece of 8/4 maple. True dimensions are 8 foot 3 inches long. It's about 10 1/4 wide and it's 2 inches thick. I've drawn out a design and I should be able to get all the pieces out of this one board. So I'll start with the layout right now. And none of these dimensions need to be dead on because the joinery is pretty simple. So I'll just be marking this out with a pencil. First thing I'm gonna do is just take 1 inch off the end. And none of these dimensions need to be dead on because the joinery is pretty simple. So I'll just be marking this out with a pencil. So the main seat or platform is gonna be 56 inches long. So I'll go ahead and just mark that off. Now the seat tapers down here where your legs go, it gets a bit narrower, and where the treadle mounts, it's narrower. So from here, I can mark 2 inches in on each side. And then I'll come 34 inches in and mark that. And again, 2 inches off of each side. And then I need to mark 39 inches down on the edge of each side. Here, I'll just run this line from the 34-inch mark straight down to the beginning of the board on both sides. And then between these two marks, it's going to be just a sort of soft bend. Then I'll also, at the 34-inch line, just go straight off the edge because these two parts here will form part of the treadle frame. So now I'll just slide this down and mark out the rest. So the legs are 20.5 inches long. So I'll go ahead and mark those out. And then they're 2 by 2. So I'll mark 2 and 4 here, 2 and 4 there, and then just 2 down at the end. So that's the 3 legs. Next, the main platform is 6 by 24. The foot pin for the treadle is 1 3/4. And then 21 inches long. Sorry, 21.5 inches. The clamp pin for the top of the treadle is 1.5 by 13. The coins will come out of a piece that's 5 by 10. And I'll come in 2 inches off this and 2 inches down here, and then just connect those. So that's the 2 pieces of the coins. The mount to attach the platform to the main bench is 1 1/4 by 7. It'll come out right here. So I'll measure 1 1/4, and that is 7 inches long. And then I'll bring this line all the way down, and this will be the coin spacer that goes between these 2 parts, and all together they make up the coin. So that will leave me a few spare pieces here and there to make the sort of little pins I'll need and things like that, just a little extra bits. So next thing I'll do is just go ahead and get all these pieces cut out.